It's day 3!
Yay! It's the drop of 3.
Just kidding, it's day 4 now.
Whoa! Whoa, that's...
One, two, 3, 4! Who's gonna be in the draw today? We have Yolanda Alston.
Yes!
We have
Yeah!
Marge Malone. We have
Yeah!
Sandy Myring.
Yay!
We have Mary Burney. Laurel Pierce.
Yay!
Caitlin Gibbons.
Woo!
Jamie Smart.
Wow!
Patricia Kaiser.
Geyser is rhymes with Geyser.
Yes. Karine Maro.
Wow!
Deborah Malcolm. And Susan Lewis. And what are we gonna win today? It's a surprise. We'll see. We'll watch. Actually, it's not really a surprise, but we'll reveal in just a second.
Can you get the jar?
Yeah, we're gonna get the jar. Alright, let's get started. Yeah. Alright guys, welcome to day 4. We've already said who's gonna be at the draw. And now it's time for us to roll some names. Let's do it. Here's one. Rolling. We gotta roll some names. Put it in the jar. Roll some names. Put it in the jar.
Roll some names so we can put it in the jar
And pick a winner.
and a jar name.
A jar name? Alright, and here's another name for you. And another name for you. Rolling.
So we can
Get some
pick a
names.
picture.
Pick a picture. You pick a winner, not a picture.
We're gonna roll some names so we can.
Pick a winner.
We're gonna roll some names so we can continue the raffle roll.
Jollier January raffle draw.
Whoa. Let's use that. I'm gonna go.
So now, reveal yourselves. Reveal yourselves. Yeah. Okay, sit beside Daddy.
Okay, good.
Now, we have to reveal what they're gonna win. They are gold.
There's also a Pikachu.
There is a Pikachu skiing right there.
Whoa, the mouse.
Yeah, right there. There's a Pikachu.
Oh no, the mouse like.
Cause it's so fast. I think this is a pretty cool board.
Yeah,
For
another
those ski lovers. There's Wanderlust. There's Wanderlust. There's a flamingo skiing as well. And some penguins.
Wow.
Look,
And
a T-Rex, a dino skiing. Right there.
And
Wow.
also this too.
Yeah, there's a skier right there. How about in the front? There's a cool guy here, a porcupine skiing. What's this?
And a space ski. I mean Star Wars.
Yeah, there's a ski jumper. It looks like a... Yeah, looks like Boba Fett.
This is
Or the
Christmas.
Mandalorian.
This is the Christmas.
Oh yeah, that's a Christmas
This
tree.
looks like a vampire.
A vampire? Oh, let's get on with the draw. Let's put this pillow here. We can't see your cute costume. Alright, so who's gonna win the bead board in the magical diamond shop jar? Okay, pick rock, paper, scissors. Who's gonna make the draw? Rock, paper, scissors.
Shoot.
Zuli!
Oh
Oh no, okay.
no!
Alright, pick the winner. Pick one. Is it one? You get one? Alright.
There's a triangle.
Yeah, it looks like a triangle. And the winner is Caitlin Gibbons.
Yay!
Yay! Caitlin Gibbons is the beadboard. Stay on camera so you can see your dancing. All right. Congratulations, Caitlin. You win the ski jump beadboard for day 4. Bye.
Dance! We need to dance! Dance, dance, dance! 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 Need to dance! Dance!
He's too close. He's getting you guys. Stop dancing. All right. Dancing will stop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop dancing. All right. Dancing will stop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you again tomorrow.
Whoa!
Oh, too close. Come here. Julie, rock it.
And don't be ring the bell. And don't be on the subscribe button. Bye-bye. Please like. And don't forget, please like.
They can't see you.
Please like. Comment. And push that red subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell.
What?
Ring the bell. And one with the video.